In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the message ringtone on your Samsung device. Changing the message ringtone can add a personal touch to your phone and help you differentiate between different notifications. It's a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. After that, tap App Notifications. What you want to do next is tap on this button at the top right and search for Messages. Tap on the Messages app and then tap Notification Categories. Tap Incoming Messages. And then tap Sound. Now you have the ability to change the message ringtone on your Samsung device. So go ahead and tap on one of these ringtones, and it will play a little preview of what it's going to sound like. Once you select a ringtone you like, exit the settings. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.